the Golden Waterfall and we're going to go on a snowmobiling tour that starts right here.
We go up on the glacier, and here we go up on these monster trucks as you see behind here, and they have this Icelandic invention that when it comes up to the glacier they deflate the tires so they flatten out, so after that they can float on snow and drive on the glacier. We go snowmobile riding, a little action. We go up on the glacier, Langjökull, or the Long Glacier, the second biggest glacier in Iceland. We dress up in good clothes. We get some gloves, and these helmets, and then we go out riding. And they actually guide us in that way that there's one in the front and one in the back to make sure that security and everything like that is complete and okay.
Awesome, super amazing.
As you go along, it's really fun.
It was a great experience. I definitely recommend it.